Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pinterest sound problem. So first of all, open up the Pinterest application in your mobile and make sure your device volume is turned up and not muted. Now check if video itself is muted. Open the Pinterest app and then tap on any video. Look for the speaker icon. If it's crossed out, then tap it to unmute. If the sound still doesn't work, try closing and reopen the Pinterest application. This can fix temporary glitches. And now make sure your Pinterest app is up to date. An outdated app can cause sound issue. For this you have to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then in the search bar just simply search for Pinterest. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. Lastly, if nothing else works, try to restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve the issue. Hold on the power button and then slide it off and turning it back after a few seconds. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.